Hello friends, myself Dr. Hemant Sharma. If you are preparing for exam Neet PG 2025, then this video is for you. So how to crack this exam, how to score excellent rank. This video is for repeaters or for a beginners. You know guys what happened, why lot of doctors are not able to score excellent rank in Neet PG exam because they don't know what type of MCQ they like to ask, which subjects are important, which subject is not important, or their huge mistake. They are running behind a huge material, 30,000 MCQs, which is not possible for all to memorize. And they are running behind books. They start learning books. But exam is different, guys. You have to understand what is NEET PG exam. For that, you have to be very smart. Don't work hard, work smart. For that, I bring a subscription program from all 19 subjects. I provide you 600 important recorded videos from 600 important topics. From that topics, lot of probability to score excellent rank in exam plus 100 different important diseases every year. From that disease, they like to ask MCQ in exam. Also, image-based videos I provide you plus 8 small subjects like ENT, anesthesia, okay, psychiatry, pediatrics. These 8 radiology, dermatology, orthopedics, these 8 small subjects, 100 one-liners from each subject, because in exam direct MCQs they like to ask from a small subject, and from large subject like medicine, PSM, surgery, obs, gynae, PSM, you have to be very much clear. Clinical MCQs they like to ask. So my program cover everything. Also to our rapid revision video I provide you. Fee of this subscription program is just 7,000 rupees only. How to join this subscription program, details available in description of this video, and helpline WhatsApp number is also there. So now you have lot of time in your hand, so score excellent rank. If you cover this course, if you learn by heart, that means that is more than enough to score excellent rank. One video duration is 5 minutes or 10 minutes, not too much. So I provide you a very easy, very simple material to score excellent rank in exam. Thank you.